Okay, hello Jerome. So after much thinking and I think I think I realized something is that for this V formation over here is kind of aggressive, I would say. It's good in certain contexts and bad in certain contexts. So for example, in this case, this aggressive V formation actually works well is because of it's actually in a on market right now for the daily refresh. As you can see that this choose piece right here is a daily refresh, and it actually broke up this trap area over here. Then the test back. That's why it's actually good to just do a uh aggressive this small piece over here and treat it as a aggressive primary, I would say. Like, yeah, it's some kind of aggressive primary. So when it the V formation came in like quite shallow, we actually can buy because of this on market. Then in another scenario where is when the refresh is still happening, it's actually quite dangerous to take this this aggressive V formation entry. uh Maybe I just show in the replay. So for example, let's say this the refresh that happens. Hold on. Yeah, so this is the replay that happens. Maybe it's like, okay, like that. So will we treat this as the primary? uh I mean, obviously not, because the trap area is here. But in any case, it really depends on the context. So when the refresh is still going on, maybe as you can see, the price just came back down. So as the refresh is still ongoing, maybe you can take a safer how you say, take a safer approach, so that the V formation touches this trap area right here. And if in the on market, you can be more aggressive, I would say. So there are pros and cons, depending on how you apply it. Yeah, this is what I think. So maybe if you have any like ideas or feedback, feel free to share them.